Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Felicia and today I am going to be sharing with you Curlbox. It's here again for the month of May 2018, and this month I am super excited about this particular line because one, it's one that I'm familiar with, is one that you're familiar with, and if you haven't used it, I'm sure you've heard of it, and I already used some of the products in this line. So without further ado, let me present. It is the SheaMoisture Honey, Manuka, and Mafura Oil Intense Hydration line. So let's get right into it. So the first product that I have is the Intense Hydration Shampoo. This shampoo is the most moisturizing shampoo that I've ever used. It is my #1 top go-to for moisture. The way that it feels when you're shampooing your hair is the same way that it feels once you rinse out the shampoo. It leaves your hair feeling super soft as well as moisturized. So the next product is the conditioner. And it has a pump. This does a really good job as far as conditioning your hair, and also it does have some slip to it. Okay, so the next product that I have is the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel, and I have not used this particular product. It smells amazing as well, and this is what it looks like. It's really loose. It's not one of those I guess thicker hard gels. There is some thickness to it, but it's definitely a loose consistency. So the next product is the Intense Hydration Twist Defining Custard, and this is really good for twist outs. I have used this product. I've only used it once, so I'm gonna have to revisit it. So this product is super creamy and thick. And last but not least, it is the Intense Hydration Leave-In Milk. And I haven't tried this one either. So that's all the products that we have for Curlbox for May 2018. And just in case someone asked or put it in my comment, they do have a mask. So there is an Intense Hydration mask, which I use all the time. It is my go-to mask for moisture. So if your hair is super dry, this entire line is really great to pick up. It's also safe for color treated hair as well. So that's it, guys. And if you're not familiar with Curlbox, it is a monthly subscription of $20, also $5 for the shipping, where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products from an entire line, and you get to try that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have tried any of these products in the SheaMoisture Intense Hydration line, let me know down in the comments below which was your favorite, or if there was one that you didn't particularly care for, let me know as well and why. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.